Shane McCarthy here from Swift Pain Relief. Here today to teach you how to use the Hideout Pro wireless multi-stim device to treat elbow pain. Typically this is a tendonitis issue labeled as golfer's elbow or tennis elbow. Regardless of what it is, the Hideout Pro wireless will help you in multiple different ways to help you treat the pain without the use of drugs, recover from the injury that's causing you pain, and prevent future injuries by increasing muscle performance. Getting right into it, you take your wireless device here and then grab your one of the receivers. Now I have the circle electrode pad as well as the rectangle electrode pad for this one. The reason being, whether it's your bicep or tricep, you'll take the circle pad and put it here, and then take the rectangle pad and put it along your forearm. So this is going to allow for better surface area and traction along the tendons. Now, where you put the pads is going to be dependent on where the pain is. So if it's on the inside of the elbow, you're going to want to put it along the bicep and then put on the bottom part of your forearm. If it's on the outside, you'd want to put the pad over here on your tricep and then put the rectangle pad down here along to line up with the pad here. So again, wherever the pain is, use the pads to go through the pain, and then take your device, put it to whatever mode that you want it to, whichever one you like. Typically, the top 6 modes are going to be best for this, but set it to an intensity that's comfortable for you and enjoy.